Hi guys, Macy here with Finish Line Speed Shop and Adrenaline Fabrication. I know you guys have been seeing a lot on our social media about the chassis that we've been building, so we thought that we would do a breakdown of kind of some of the standard equipment that they come with and where you can find some more information at. This one here fits a 47 to 54 Chevy 3100 half-ton truck chassis. So let me just do a quick breakdown of kind of all the standard equipment that it comes with, and then there's also some added features that you can get. This is our Adrenaline Series 1, so what that means is this comes with the coil-over shock suspension. As you can see, we have our tried and true QA1 on here. Some other standard equipment that it comes with is the tubular upper and lower control arms, 2-inch drop spindles, front and rear sway bars, power rack and pinion. You can see we have our small block Chevy motor mount towers on here. As we work our way through the cross members, we have our radiator and core support cross member, our Mustang 2 cross member, and right behind me, as you can take a look, we have our modular transmission support cross member, and then our middle stiffener cross member. All right, let's take a look at how good this rear end is. So on here, we have the 4 9-inch rear end housing. We have our 4-link suspension, again, coil-over shock suspension, rear sway bar on here. We also have our EFI ready fuel tank, and with that comes the rear support cross member for that. And mounted and installed, we have our vapor trapper on here, which helps eliminate those gas fumes. So we use just some of the best on here, and we're really excited for you guys to learn more about them. This is our Adrenaline Series, but we have multiple variations. We have our Adrenaline Series, our Bag Series, and our Cruiser Series. So again, this is a modular chassis. It can be changed to fit any variation that you want. We also have lots of other options outside of the standard equipment. So feel free to reach out to us, ask any questions that you have, and go ahead and DM us or call us if you're interested.